So, dear children, whatever the information we are having of the Vedic period, we have got from these Vedas which we have learned in the previous video. So, tell me the names of the four Vedas: the Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Rajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. So, we have learned about these Vedas in the previous videos. What is written in these Vedas. Now, whatever written in the Vedas is the only source of information for us what happened in those years. So in the early Vedic period, what happened, what type of political life was there, what type of economic life was there, what type of social life was there, all we can get information from the early Vedic period from the Rig Veda, because it is for that period. The Rig Veda is the source that provides most of the information regarding the early Vedic period. जो भी उस टाइम की information है वो सब हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? From the Rig Veda. So, first of all, we will talk about the political life. So, political life. The early Vedic society consisted of many different tribes called Jainas. So there were different tribes called Jainas that are mentioned in the early Vedic period. Each tribe had its own ruler known as Rajan, and the ruler was known as Rajan, जिनको Rajan कहा जाता था. He was usually elected as Rajan because of his bravery and ability to lead his tribe in war and raids. So he was elected for his bravery and ability to lead his tribe in war and raids. So the position of Rajan was not hereditary. Hereditary means जैसे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उनका बेटा ही बने, कोई भी बन सकता था. Who was elected for his bravery and ability to lead his tribe in war and raids. ऋग वैदिक राजन्स did not collect taxes. उस टाइम के जो राजा थे वो टैक्सेस कलेक्ट नहीं करते थे. दे मैनेज्ड विद वॉलेंट्री कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस. दैट वॉलेंट्री कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन वॉज नोन एज बाली मेड बाय मेंबर्स ऑफ द ट्राइब. द राजन टुक डिसीजंस इन कंसल्टेशन विद द सभा एंड समिति. और राजन जो भी डिसीजन लेना होता था उसमें सबको बुलाकर उनसे कंसल्ट करते थे. विच वर ट्राइबल असेंबलीज इन विच वुमेन कुड ऑल्सो अटेंड द सभा. Next, in addition to the Rajans, priests or Purohitas were regarded more important than the rest of the tribe or Jaina. They helped the Rajan and the common people of the tribe in all ritual matters. The Senani helped the Rajan in his military campaign and wars. Senani, Senapati, helped the Rajan in his military campaigns and wars. So this was the political life. Now economic life. Economic life was what they were doing for their economic activities. Though they practiced agriculture, cattle rearing seems to have been an important occupation. So they practiced agriculture also, and cattle rearing was also an important occupation. The main agricultural products were wheat, barley, and cotton. The early Vedic people kept herds of domesticated cows, bulls, oxen, horses, sheep, goats, and dogs. So the early Vedic period, in the early Vedic people kept herds of domesticated cows, bulls, oxen, horses, sheep, goats, and dogs. The cow was considered precious. And the main form of wealth. The Rig Veda mentions potters, weavers, carpenters, tanners. और ऋग वेदा में कौन कौन मेंशन किए गए हैं, किन किन के नेम्स आते हैं? Potters, weavers, carpenters, tanners, different types of smiths, chariot makers, and jewelers. Chariot maker had a high status in society. Chariot जो कि राजा के लिए जो बनता था, chariot makers had a high, जो वो बनाते थे chariot, उनकी सोसाइटी में एक हाई स्टेटस हुआ करता था. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सोशल लाइफ. सोशल लाइफ. What was the life for the society? What type of life the people were leading at that time. Initially, kinship was the basis of the social structure. Kinship means the relationship between members of the same family, connection by blood or marriage. The relationship between the same members of the same family. So initially, kinship was the basis of the social structure. A man's primary loyalty was to his tribe or jana. Society was essentially tribal and there were no major differences between the members of a tribe. Society was divided into three main occupational groups: warriors and the chieftains, priests and the common people. In the first two were privileged groups. फर्स्ट टू वर द प्रिविलेज, जिनको ज़्यादा ही प्रिविलेज दिए जाती थी, इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती थी. इन द बिगनिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेम फैमिली कुड फॉलो डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशन. और स्टार्टिंग में एक ही फैमिली के मेंबर्स कुछ भी काम कर सकते थे. डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशन, कुड फॉलो डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशन. दिस इज़ क्वाइट क्लियर फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द हिम्स ऑफ द ऋग्वेदा विच सेज, आई एम अ पोएट, माई फादर इज़ अ फिजिशियन एंड माई मदर इज़ अ ग्राइंडर ऑफ कॉर्न. तो उसमें एक लाइन ये आई है ऋग्वेदा में कि मैं एक पोइट हूँ, मेरे फादर जो हैं वो फिजिशियन हैं और मेरी मदर जो हैं वो कॉर्न की ग्राइंडर हैं, जो कि कॉर्न का आटा बनाती हैं. तो इसमें क्या लिखा गया है, इस लाइन से हमें ये पता लगता है कि कोई भी, अब एक ही फैमिली के मेंबर कोई भी काम कर सकते थे. सो इन द बिगनिंग मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेम फैमिली कुड फॉलो डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशन. This is quite clear from this line. The basis of the early Vedic society was family, which was patriarchal. This means the father was the head of the family. Patriarchal means the father is the head of the family and was known as Grihapati. Grihapati means the head of the family, and head of the family was the father. Marriage and family life were considered sacred. Marriage and family life were considered sacred. Monogamy was practiced. Monogamy means the practice of marrying only one person at a particular time. The practice of marrying only one person at a particular time. Monogamy was practiced. उस टाइम मोनोगैमी ही प्रैक्टिस की जाती थी. The society was divided into 4 distinct castes or varnas based on the skill of the people. और सोसाइटी को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया था बेस्ड ऑन द स्किल ऑफ द पीपल. काम करने की क्षमता, उनके जो काम करने का तरीका होता था, जो को काम करते थे, उसके बेसिस पर उनको 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया था. सो द सोसाइटी वॉज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज ब्राह्मण्स. और प्रीस्टली क्लास, प्रीस्ट्स, जो कि ब्राह्मण्स होते थे. नंबर 2 पे होते थे क्षत्रियाज और किंग्स एंड वॉरियर्स क्लास. और सेकंड नंबर पे होते थे क्षत्रियाज, जो कि किंग्स होते थे या वॉरियर क्लास होती थी. नंबर 3 पर होते थे वैश्याज और मर्चेंट्स एंड ट्रेडर्स एंड फार्मर्स. नंबर 4 शूद्रास और मैनुअल वर्कर्स. और लास्ट में होते थे जो कि हाथ से काम करते थे, शूद्रास. फर्स्ट वन ब्राह्मण्स, सेकेंड वन क्षत्रियास, थर्ड वन वैश्यास एंड फोर्थ वन शूद्रास. There were also dasas. Dasas मतलब slaves, and dasyas, who were slaves, servants or enemies captured. Children were sent to gurukuls where they lived and studied with their guru or teacher. They studied religion, philosophy, art, logic, medicine, grammar and moral codes of conduct. And the children were sent to the gurukuls where they lived with their gurus and learned these subjects. People in the period ate grains, cereals, barley, fruits, vegetable and meat. They were fond of dairy products such as milk, ghee and cottage cheese. They also consumed soma and sura. These were the types of intoxicating drinks on festive occasions. Soma was prepared by mixing herbs and plants, and sura was a kind of liquor. So these were the things they used to eat or drink. Religious life, I will tell you in the next video.